Oh, forgot the other reason why I'm out here. Is I'm going to plug that hole. And I'm going to plug this side of the hole. See, there's a little bit of a spot right there. I'm going to plug this side right here so I can still get some ventilation out. But yeah, like tomorrow, it's what? It's like 30, 31 right now. Tomorrow it's supposed to be like, I think like a high of 12, low of 0. So to get some heat in this place, I'm going to need to plug that hole. And at least plug that one too. I'm not moving the fridge to get back into here, so I guess that's just the way it's going to be. There's one back there too. See, there it is. Anyways, I got some 1-inch foam, and I got my handy dandy antique saw here I'm going to use, and somewhere around here should be some type of measuring device. You know, I'm a carpenter, there should be something around here. Alright, hang on, let me find something to measure with. Alright, hang on, damn it. Alright, let's get up there and measure that. And see what we got. I can't remember what I did on this wall. God only knows it's straight. 16 in the center. I'm thinking 14 would do it. Would do it. Alright. I don't really give a rat's patoot about, see me? Not really. Wow. You gotta be really far away from this freaking camera. I like playing with my old cameras every once in a while, so, yeah. Alright, let's see here. Get rid of that junk. Here's the bucket. Now just take the tape measure. Locking on about 14. And just run it down the side of the phone. Give it a nice little score mark. Take me saw. Put it on the other side of the set foam mark. That should be, we'll give it a little mark. And cut down a line here. You know, probably snap it right there, couldn't I? There's reliefs put into this foam. So in an ideal world, they do exactly that. It's a good thing rebuilding that saw because that saw is sitting right there. Perfect! Nothing like getting shit in it. Alright, let's see if this friggin' thing fits. Hopefully it'll be a nice snug fit, otherwise I gotta do something a little different. Unclogged. It's nice and toasty up here. Next thing is I go back there and plug that one. I'll grab you guys and take you with me. Take the dick there. Can't even talk tonight. It's been a long freaking day. Get this screen door out of the way. Freaking hunting shit. Light. Let's see about what this bastard is up here. Like I said, I'm going to plug the one side of it. Show it up another foot or two. Good stand up. What do we got here? 15. So I will go cut that, and I'll be right back. Where's the off button? Alright, like I said, I'm just going to plug the one half and leave a little vent open. Believe it or not, with that other side plug, it's already getting warm in here. Warmer. There we go. Like I said, a couple times I've been here where it was like 10, 15 degrees. Yeah, I mean, I understand there's no insulation in this building, but you could be by that door or be back by the shelving underneath here. Yeah, all you felt was freaking cold air. But yeah, should be good now. Should be able to retain some heat, stay warmer. And yes, I do. I have a CO detector. I'm going to put it in here tomorrow. So, later, guys. What, Bone?